I'm Frank Gomez with WP Tech Guru, and I build ADA-compliant websites. I realize that no website is perfect. This website has a very interesting issue. So someone who can't use a mouse will use the tab key and tab through a website. I'm going to jump down to the end so you can see what I'm talking about. And as we get towards the bottom, you'll see that this LinkedIn icon and this LinkedIn text is all one link. That's great. But the YouTube icon and the YouTube text is separate. It's two separate links. There's another problem with this. If you look at the alternative text, I'm going to use a Chrome extension. It'll show the alternative text on all the images. And it says here LinkedIn logo and YouTube logo. Those will be read before the word LinkedIn and the word YouTube. So that's a problem. The way we deal with this is something called Aria. Aria stands for Accessible Rich Internet Applications. And Aria tells the screen reader not to read the descriptions of the icons. They should actually be ignored because they're decorative. This rule is actually not described in one line. It's a combination of two web content accessibility guidelines, name, role, and value. And you'll see that for all user interface components, including but not limited to form elements, links, and components generated by scripts, the name and role can be programmatically determined. Secondly, we have status messages. And here, the status messages actually is presented to the assistive technologies, which is really important. Because in this case, as we go back to this, the assistive technology should not read the description for the icons because the text is right next to it. It'll read that. Same with the YouTube icon, which actually should be combined just like the LinkedIn. Or in some cases, I will actually not link the icon itself and just the text. Thank you. This is Frank Gomez with WP Tech Guru. Please subscribe if you are interested in ADA topics and websites.